shake it.
Good morning. My name is Jeff and welcome to my tropical garden channel here in Modesto, California, Zone 9B. Today we're going to talk about how in my cool winter climate, how I get my pineapples to flower and fruit delicious pineapples. But first, hit that subscribe button to make sure you get all of my videos, and notification button, and hit the thumbs up if you like these videos. So let's take a look at my pineapple clump that I have growing here. You see it right here. I have a smaller pineapple that I had induced into flowering earlier this year, and it's coming right along. The plant itself is kind of tiny, but it was grown from a store-bought crown. And here we have another one that are suckers off of a plant that I had flowered and fruited last year. And as you can see, they're much bigger. These are actually about the same age, but these are much bigger because they were grown from a plant that I had actually fruited. So what we're going to do today is we're going to induce this pineapple into flowering. And I use a product like this, which is calcium carbide. Just so happens that this is the easiest brand to get online. They use it for carbide cannons. And when you mix this with water, it produces acetylene gas. Acetylene gas forces the pineapples into a flowering. If you do it at the right time. I do it in the morning when the weather is cool. And what I do is I pour a little water into the crown. So that we have a little pool of water down there. And then I take the calcium carbide and I put, I think I'm going to do about a 1/4 teaspoon. Maybe a little more, maybe a heaping 1/4 teaspoon. And we're going to drop that right into the center of the crown. This causes a reaction, giving off acetylene gas. Now, sometimes you have to do it twice. If you don't notice that you see a flower in there in about a month, then sometimes I do it a second time. My name is Jeff. If you enjoy these type of channels, go ahead and click that subscribe button. That way you get notification of all the latest videos that I do in my garden. You have a nice day.